Now we need to create another object called as ticket, right? Create custom object called as ticket. Yes, now launch it, click on save. So now what we're gonna do here, now here we're gonna after doing this, let me just save this, click on next, and save. Now we're gonna create fields in this. We're gonna create a field ticket type, so click on new. So it's something called as pick list, right? Ticket type should be, I'm taking pick list, click on next, and then let me give it something called as ticket type. Let me enter the values. So values will be something like standard, VIP, and early bird. Okay, these are the things. Then click on next, and then save it. Now we need to create lookup fields to contact an event, right?